With Young Sereno at Tesoro Viejo, you can create a world of your own. Sereno is located in the beautiful Creekside Village, Tesoro Viejo's newest residential village that provides options for a wide range of lifestyles and needs. Find adventure in the surrounding natural open spaces, a variety of private parks, enjoy relaxation with resort-style amenities, pick your conveniences with the nearby schools, town center, ranch house, clubhouse, recreation center, and relish in a calendar of ongoing community events. Match all of this with the unmatched value and quality of a Young home, and you can create your personal haven at Sereno. The Sereno neighborhood offers the innovative and affordable Young Discover Series collection. Exclusively designed for Tesoro Viejo, this innovative collection includes 4 single and 2-story floor plan designs, up to 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, ranging from approximately 1,500 to 2,600 feet of modern, livable homes with at least 10 feet from neighboring homes, providing privacy and room to breathe. This series includes several curated designer packages to make the home buying process quick, easy, and fun. Each home will be a Young SmartHome, which means you can expect innovative energy conservation, advanced home automation and connectivity, intelligent green building designs, and practices that are better for your family and the planet. At Tesoro Viejo, recreation and entertainment go hand in hand. In Creekside Village, discover the serenity and beauty of Beaver's Pond and the future dog park, Rosie's Place. Take a stroll to the heart of Tesoro Viejo, known as the Town Center, where neighbors, family, and friends gather to enjoy the farmer's market, the hub, or access coffee bar and eatery. Just up Town Center Boulevard is the Madera County Fire Station number 7. Madera County Sheriff's Substation, and the Camarena Health Center, health and safety services provided right here in the community. The Ranch House provides lots of opportunity for fun and activities with its heated pool, spas, and a separate pool and splash zone for kids, outdoor fire pits and barbecues, a fitness room, and so much more. In evenings, family and friends can gather around the amphitheater for concerts and live music. The beauty of Tesoro Viejo can be also found in its surroundings, with panoramic views of the Sierras, rolling hills, and natural gorges, with nearly 400 acres of permanently preserved natural open spaces. Residents can enjoy several private parks, recreational amenities, and miles of trails and access to the San Joaquin River, making Tesoro Viejo a one-of-a-kind community, connected to both incredible amenities and nature's natural beauty. Your children will thrive at Hillside Elementary School for transitional kindergarten through 8th grade. The on-site school is conveniently located within a short bike ride away from Sereno. This cross-curriculum, project-based learning school prepares even the youngest Tesoro Viejo residents for future success, with private, on-site preschool programs also available. High school students will attend the award-winning Minarets High School. Sereno is also walking distance to the future Rio Mesa Educational Center at Tesoro Viejo, which will include a middle and high school. Tesoro Viejo is a fantastic place to live, work, and play, and you can still enjoy the conveniences of city living. Once you venture outside of Tesoro Viejo, you'll find yourself surrounded by shopping, dining, attractions, and conveniences in North Fresno, just minutes from home. With easy access to Highway 41, whether for work or play in the Sierra Nevada mountains, the opportunities are endless. At Young Properties, our goal is to make the home buying process simple, streamlined, and enjoyable. We promise to keep you updated throughout the progress of your new home's construction with our industry-leading Smart Journey experience. This journey of individual milestones and personalized roadmaps will guide you from the first meeting with a Young professional, ensuring an efficient, relaxed, and enjoyable experience. From our first handshake to the presentation of keys to your new home and beyond, our team will be by your side throughout your home buying journey. Whatever your passion is, you can find it at Young Sereno at Tesoro Viejo. Come and create a world of your own.